have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be.
I literally went back to sleep. Welcome to a online school day in my life. I need to get up. I had a busy day and bring you guys along. Obviously, my last midterm is today, so let's do it. I look bizarre, but I just ate breakfast. My pancakes came out interesting. I used the wrong pan. I didn't want to use the whole little skillet that we have, and I used the wrong other pan because it was so hard to flip them. Like, it looked disastrous. That's why I didn't fully show you guys. Anyways, made myself coffee. So good. Today is Thursday. I have my midterm exam for criminal investigation, my last midterm for the semester, thank goodness. I also am about to make myself a to-do list because I need to be organized today. Also, just kind of like get my life back together. Today after midterms and having like a few days off, I had Monday and Tuesday off for like October recess that we had, and so I had like a longer weekend after my last two midterms, but I still had like my internship and stuff. So today I'm going to be doing some homework, getting my life together, having my last midterm, and I just want to like organize myself so I'm not like stressed, because midterms were a little bit stressful, those other ones that I had, but we got through it, so it's fine. Let's just make a list. Okay, here is my to-do list for the day. So I need to take my current midterm at 11 to 12. It's currently 10:30. I'm going to edit a vlog so I can get that up tomorrow in the thumbnail. I have my psych Zoom class from 1 to 2:15, starting our new section after our midterm last week. I have my field placement journal I need to get done, my field placement discussion that I need to get done. I need to update my planner, organize my life pretty much on my planner, and so I can like visually see what's upcoming, because I know I have like projects or something, or like a term paper thing. I have some stuff that I need to get done. I need to schedule an appointment with my advisor to go over classes for the spring and talk about life as well. And then I have work at 5, so I feel like Thursdays are always busy for me. Okay, my camera had died on me, so I'm about to take my midterm. It's 50 multiple choice. I have 60 minutes. Once I start, I have to do it all at once. So wish me luck. I'm about to start my last midterm of the semester. I'm about to submit. I look crazy. Anyways, I have like 2 minutes left. I finished. I knew there was one that was a picture, but it was like blurry. I don't know how he expected us to really like look at this fingerprint type of thing. I'm gonna submit it right now, but I feel really confident actually for this one, and I'll get my grade right away because it was all multiple choice. And what was I gonna say? I knew, like, since I've taken so many crim classes, a lot of this is just like easy for me, so I would like double check my work and stuff just to be sure, and a lot of them were like correct. So okay, submit. If I get one wrong, I think it's the fingerprint one, but I got a 94. Okay, we'll see. Maybe he'll post the answers and stuff later. Don't care that much because I'm happy that I got a good grade. Still waiting for my sports management teacher actually to post our midterm grade, and my other teachers will just post like a midterm grade in our system, even though like midterm grade meaning what we've done so far. We don't have a midterm for those classes, so everything should be decent except for my psych will be like a B, I guess, or B plus, whatever. And yeah, so right now I'm gonna actually go wash my coffee mug and stuff and bring myself some water. I'll probably have lunch soon because I work later, so I want to make sure I'm, you know, eating at good times. And then I'm gonna do some editing before my psych class that I have in about an hour, so let's quickly do that so I can get into some editing because I want to upload a new video tomorrow. Can I take this? Okay, I was just doing some editing, and before my Zoom class I'm gonna make myself my lunch. I have some leftover pasta with chicken, like penne vodka type of thing with chicken, so I'm gonna warm that up and I'll probably eat while I'm in class. Let me take out my notebook and stuff so I'm prepared to take notes. Our second exam I think is in the beginning of November, so coming up in like 2 to 3 weeks. Like, time is flying. October, I can't even talk about it. Like, it's scary how fast time is going. Like, it's already Thursday today. Like, the weeks and the days just are flying by. Like, it's insane. Eating my lunch. Okay, I'm about to schedule my advisor meeting. Okay, academic advising. Let's see if they're still doing it online or I would have to go like back in person. Seems to be working so far. Because registration is coming up in about 3 to 4 weeks, but we usually meet pretty soon actually. Not like I'm gonna meet her tomorrow, but I'm thinking next week, which gives me time to come up with the classes I would like to take and just have her kind of sign off on it. That's what I've been doing. I look at my degree audit, I see what I need left. I don't have much left. I have 4 classes next semester, so I come up with my choices, we go over it, we go over some other stuff, and now that I'm graduating, we're probably going to talk about a lot more other stuff as well. And yeah, so this will give me time to come up with that plan for myself sometime within next week. So let's see, I think I'm going to choose to do it next Thursday at 10:15 is like the only opening. Now that I got that booked, I guess now is the perfect time to put it in my planner, and just also while I'm in my planner, do some organizing, getting my life together, especially with important dates coming up, being that it's literally like the halfway mark through the semester, stuff like that. Just so I'm also visually aware of like what's coming up, and so like, you know, how I live like a stress-free life, especially after midterms and after having 2 days off, you know. So now's the perfect time to just kind of like a midway mark reminder, get myself familiar of what's coming, things like that. Okay, first of all, I haven't been freaking crossing out the days at all. We need to do that. Alright, so here's where we're at with the month of October so far. I put a reminder here because I need to apply for graduation by November 15th, which I have here actually. So I put a reminder here because I hopefully want to get it done by the end of the month so I don't have to worry about it. And then I also need to look something up really quickly. Okay, so there's some other things that I might not have to do. What else do I need to do though? November, I'll be registering for classes. I also added, which I'm going to highlight in my notes section here, to start working on the sports management group project and reach out to them, touch base on like who's going to do what part, because it's like a PowerPoint slide and then like 11 pages, but it's broken down kind of on the site, so I need to like go through that myself because that is due, I believe, before Thanksgiving. It's going to be here in a couple of freaking weeks. So there's also another assignment that I don't know if it's in here. Okay, I think that sums up everything. It's good that I got it all out there, so I know what I need to do within the next couple weeks. It's going to be a very busy and hectic full next month before Thanksgiving because of paper topics, project. I know the other term paper, I don't know if it's due as a final or as another thing due before Thanksgiving, but my Blackboard app decided to stop working. Not too sure, but anyways, now I'm gonna get started and work on my, before I go to work, field placement journal and discussion, and then do some more editing before I head to work. Sorry, I know I was just rambling and talking. I'm literally pissed right now. My sports, I was just like telling Amy, I was like, oh my god, I'm actually happy that for sports management he didn't post discussions this week because we have days off, but technically we're in online class, so like it doesn't really, I guess, I mean, if you want to give homework and assignments still, like, great, whatever. And he hadn't. Usually he posts them from Monday, and then they're due Sunday. So I've been checking the past 2 days or 3 days. It's Thursday. Nothing, not posted. I'm like, great, he's actually giving us a break. And I was just texting Amy that, and I'm like, let me check just to see, like, why did he post 3 discussions to do that are due Sunday? Like, I'm just, like, annoyed because I just scheduled out my whole day not knowing we have assignments, and it's not like we get notified for these discussions. They just appear like you have to check, and like I was checking, and because usually he posts them on Monday for Sunday because that's how our week flows. No, I'm writing a sticky note just so I can remind myself. I might end up doing it like tomorrow or Saturday. I'm not even gonna stress myself out by doing it today. I wanted to get all my homework done today, but my priority is the other assignments and editing because I want to upload tomorrow. I know it's due Sunday, and I like to enjoy my weekend because Sunday I have plans already, and Saturday and Friday. So if I get editing done and stuff before work, then tonight I can possibly work on this. But I'm gonna do a little sticky note just so I can see it right here. But like, I'm actually like pissed because that doesn't even make any sense. Anyways. I decided to do one quick, not really that quick, discussion. I'm just updating this for sports. I did 1 out of 3. Yay me. What I'm going to do with responding to comments is I'm going to do that at work because I can do that from my phone. Right now I'm going to focus on editing for about 35 minutes, see how much more I can get done from this morning, and then when I get back from work I'll still work on it and probably save it and stuff tonight so I can just upload, do a quick upload in the morning after my workout. Okay guys, sorry if this is like a weird spot or angle. I just got home. Now I'm gonna edit my butt off for the next hour. It's 10:37 right now, and the reason I'm sitting over here, not like laying in my bed like I normally do, is because I find that like when I do that, get under my covers, or just even lay in the spot similar to when I'm gonna sleep, I have trouble sleeping that night because I'm in my bed too long, I guess, or I don't know, you know, I'm just like in my bed too long pretty much. I'm gonna sit here, and I actually have the TV on. I muted it so it's not loud. I'm actually gonna just have in the background this Halloween bake-off cake. It's I think a cake competition, cake making competition. So that's fun, festive. I need to actually watch like Halloween movies. The other day Halloween Town was on, but I want to watch like Twitches. Comment down below your favorite Halloween movie. Mine is definitely Twitches. Love it. So yeah, I'm gonna edit. I responded to 2 people's comments for both of my classes this week, and I did that at work. So now I'm just gonna relax, like I said, edit for about an hour. Hopefully I can get this video completed. I think I should be able to, and then do the thumbnail and head to bed because I'm gonna wake up early to go to the gym tomorrow morning. I know you can't even like see me, but I'm not getting up right now. It's like 12 and I have to get up early tomorrow, so I love you guys. Thank you for watching today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.